Pentiot took up the challenge presented by O'Neill Sports International to implement automated sewing. All clothing worldwide is hand sewn by machinists. The majority of this labor locally and nationally is aging and declining, with little interest from people in the live register engaging in what they see as a non-career path orientated employment. Internationally, the issues in outsourced environments are typically poor working conditions and employee exploitation. O'Neill's have maintained their sewing floor in the UK. Together, we implemented a solution to use a state-aware machine to feed frame material to achieve a sewn output. With this approach, we were able to sew an entire sports jersey. We have a prototype machine which can assemble one of O'Neill's biggest lines without using a sewing machinist resource. This step alone has potential to address HR issue and put O'Neill's in a path to scalability. While we've achieved sewing without a sewing machinist and achieved a path to scalability for O'Neill's, we believe this is the tip of the iceberg. We would like to see an automated needle threader developed, which would allow different color threads to be automatically loaded into a sewing machine to attach different color attachments to a garment. We would like to develop an automation scheme to pick material from a cutting desk and assemble it into frames for automated sewing. Ultimately, we would like to develop this entire sewing environment into a containerized production environment. Just-in-time manufacturing in the automotive industry delivers parts to assembly lines just in time to be attached to an assembly. We believe that just-in-time garment manufacturing could be delivering PPE into the NHS just in time for our healthcare staff to use. Too often do we see the poor and marginalized in developing countries being exploited to deliver the world's fashion, with many paying the ultimate price and losing their lives in building fires and building collapses. Let's bring this manufacturing home to the UK. Let's reduce carbon to the lowest level possible by moving the manufacturing to the retail edge, to the commercial edge, and to the medical edge. Let's reduce unemployment by retraining those on the live register so that they can become part of the service industry to service this new disruptive industry. We took up the challenge, we built the team, we built the prototype, and now we'd like you to help us take us to the next stage so we can deliver a solution to bring manufacturing back to the UK. Thank you.